Republic of the Philippines, Division on Elections, CEF number 24. Certificate of Canvass and Votes and Proclamation of Winning Candidate for Vice Mayor. May 12, 2025, National, Local, Foreign Parliamentary Elections, May 12, 2025. We, the undersigned members of the City Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 1,584 clustered precincts for the candidates to in for Vice Mayor in the election held on May 12, 2025. Attached thereto and forming part hereof is a statement of votes by precinct CEF number 20-8, garnered by each candidate for the office of Vice Mayor. That after such canvass, it appears that Atienza Chi garnered 584,145 votes for the office of Vice Mayor, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above-named winning candidate as the duly elected Vice Mayor of NCR, Province of National Capital Region, Manila. In witness whereof, we affix our signature and imprint our thumb marks in the City of Manila, Province of NCR, Manila, this May 13, 2025 at 9:06 p.m. City Board of Canvassers, Jennifer Jimenez, Chairperson, Vice Chairperson, Giovanni Lim, Member Secretary, Nerissa Jimenez.
Congrats, Mike!
Matigas na ako ngayon. Kaya gusto ko gamitin itong opportunity na to para sabihin sa inyo, with God, all things are possible.